Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. And we're back with another mukbang video. Boy, that's for the grown-ups. So we're having tacos tonight because we had some leftover ground beef from yesterday, and so we decided to buy some taco shells, and we got some leftover corn. So we got some elote asado going on. Mine has mayo, some queso cheese, and Takis on it. And right now, I'm about to assemble my taco. Bam. Ortega, what's up? Sponsor boy. Here's the cheese, please. You know what? We're gonna be adventurous today. We're gonna put some sour cream down. Probably going against all traditions of whatever you guys consider tradition. But I got some sour cream. I got some cheese going in. Just a little bit. A little bit. And I'm about to put my burger down. Yeah.
Family heist?
Yes. And I cooked up some shrimp. It's easy, and then I cut it up. It's just some shrimp. See it? Okay. Dang. Sorry, I don't want it to drip, that's why. See that? Ooh. Probably still can't see it, but oh, right there. Yeah, it's some shrimp, butter, and garlic, salt, and pepper. And top that boy in there. I'll show you guys my taco. Show you guys my taco. There's some of that melted butter. And there she is, guys. Ooh. Slap. Mmm. Slap. So bomb. I'm gonna try the corn. Right, you hear that crunch? Messy, but delicious. This corn is hella bomb. I love corn. Mmm. Bruh. Mm-mm-mm. More corn? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Yeah, so we decided to eat tacos today because we had the ground beef, and I seen B loves homemade taco. So I figured, what the hell? So shout out to B loves Life. Yo, if she sees this, it'd be dope. If y'all don't know who B loves Life is, check her out. Queen of Mukbang.
Shout out to her, but you need to shout out from.
Shout out to her, but I need a shout out from her. Mm-mm-mm. She's the queen of the seafood boil. She's a beast. Yeah. Mm. Yo, I'm gonna need that sour cream. That sour cream. Whew. Yo, this is the perfect amount for 18 tacos. Yo. So this is how I assemble my taco. This is how I'm doing it right now. I go with the sour cream on the inside. Take a little bit of this cheese. Sprinkle that bad boy in there. Like so. And the sour cream acts as an adhesive to the cheese. So the cheese sticks to the walls. And then you get your hot meat. Get some of this burger. And you fill her up like so. All depending on how much filling you want. Me, I'm a big boy, so I want a big filling. And then take some of this shrimp. Did you get some of the shrimp? It's bomb with the shrimp, huh? I know this right. I know this right. Come on, focus. Put your focus on me. Come on, get in there. There it is. Baby, put your focus. You good then? All right.
No, I'm still not putting it.
I'm gonna take some of this cheese and taki mixture and put it on there too. Just to add extra flavor.
I wish there was like veggies.
Yeah, we didn't get veggies. I was at Safeway too, and it didn't dawn on me until after.
Yeah.
But nonetheless,
Keep it in it.
Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I love corn. I love eating. So how's everybody's day? Hope it went good. Mine was cool. I got off my second job a little earlier. Then I went to G to pick up my clothes for my brother's wedding on Saturday. And I called him. I called him up, let him know I'm about to stunt on him at his own wedding. But yeah. Other than that, this corn is fire. Well, it was fire. Oh, you doing it like me?
I put the whole thing.
Boy, I know you not just take my Takis. No, it's okay. There's about 7 shells left. And a little bit of hamburger left. Well, there's some, enough for like 3. We eating late.
My fault.
No. Man, it's about 8:15 right now.
On Sunday. Sunday? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you focus on me.
Man, last night, I was missing until like 5 or 8 in the morning.
Mayo?
What's that? And the
It's right there.
Oh.
Here, I mixed some with Taape already. Look. It slaps with the Taape. I think it works for the Takis because if you're using just regular mayo and not the what is it, Herdy's? So the Herdy's mayo already has lime in it, but I feel like if you use the Takis, it's already a lime infused spicy chip. It sort of balances everything out, which makes it really good. So if you haven't tried it with Takis, you're missing out. Damn, shrimp.
Man, last night I was watching Key and Peele,
Oh yeah.
and they put a video together. It was all of the skits they did as the valets.
As what?
The valets. It was like a 20-something minute video.
Oh, say if a cop isn't like if a cop tells you to fight them and you fight them, and then they say you're under arrest. Do you think that's fair?
No. I mean, you're listening to the cop, so. Can you want me some water, please? In my cup.
You want your drink?
What do you guys think?
Like if you fight them
And they arrest you?
and you know, and if you fight them because they lose, they lose, and then they were like you're under arrest.
Done? One cup?
There's a glass cup right here.
There's two.
You see? It's the big one. The wet one. That's mine. So yeah, I got one more corn left, and I'm debating whether I want to eat it right now or go ham on it later.
You know what you should do?
Might as well do it right now.
You should save it and make this video a two-parter.
No, I have no time for no two-parter. This is it's already 17.5 minutes long. I didn't think I was gonna get full this fast, but I think because I was anticipating.
You think you're gonna eat more, but you
Can you, can you give me my my Gatorade that's in the freezer?
Your Gatorade. Help! She better leave my stuff alone.
So no, go give me my Bang downstairs. It's on my bed.
Why are you drinking Bang right now?
What do you mean?
It's gonna keep you up.
Yeah, no, I need to finish this series.
What the hell? Yeah, I'm thinking about.
What?
Where?
On my bed.
So, I think the easiest way to mix your oh my gosh, the explicitity.
The what?
The explicitity. Explicitity.
Put it in the freezer.
Explicitity. Explicities. It's like,
Expose the titty.
don't expose it.
Explicitity.
The explicitity. Explicitity.
The electricity.
Slap City. That's what it is. Explicitity. Yo, I think I'm gonna tap into this corn. I ain't got no time to be wasting. Hell no! Hell no! We won't go. Pass me that corn. Pass me that Yo, we're going in. Also, you want to use the heavier. So we're using Best Foods mayo. I'm just gonna slather some of this bad boy on here like so. Just love when the corn cooperates with you. Let me move this corn that's already been devoured. You see that? You see how I'm not even telling it to move, but it knows when to move. I'm gonna dip in there again. Just get some. Oh, yes. Oh, calm down now, foil. Sorry. All right. I feel like we have a pretty good amount of mayo on there. Like us Samoans would say, watermelon nice. All right. Do we have any more takis in there? Any more takis? Taki Roman. Were you ASMRing over there? This is the sound of takis and parmesan on the corn. It doesn't sound like crunch. What the hell kind of crunch is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, this one barely has any
Yeah.
of the sauce on here.
No. Move that corn. And then put that corn on top.
That's okay. I already got enough seasoning. Ooh, I can feel it in my stomach already. Ooh. Bruh. This is gonna slap. Mm-hmm.
I guess it won't matter if I go too, right? Of course it matters for you. But it's your decision. I would respect.
Bruh.
Go ahead. I'm leaving. So we're gonna come shut the front door. Wait. When you leave, wave this over your head. So they know that you're giving up. They're snipers and I wouldn't want anything to have with you. Give me up. I want you to do well. I want you to never stop believing in love. It's precious. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Hey, you need to calm your mind so you can think more clearly. Trust me. Do it. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. That's it. Yes, the rest of it.
Are you done?
Do me a favor. Put that shrimp inside the, mix it with the hamburger and I'll eat it tomorrow.
As much as I tried, I couldn't think of a way of ruining Berlin's life. I would also hurt Rio. I could tell them how we planned to escape, or where the hangar was, but any revenge would also affect Rio. I love Rio.
Delish. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. It was a pretty long video, but thanks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Catch you guys in the next video.
Just like I found you the first
Yeah.
time, I'll find you.
Bye. Love y'all.
What I'm saying is that we carry on with the plan because
Peace.
worst case scenario.
So far.